Hey everyone, this is Brian from the Seacoast Science Center, and today I'm going to share some tips to help you reduce your impact while recreationally fishing for striped bass. Fishing can be a great way for you to connect with your local marine environment, but it's important that you do it right. No matter what fish you're targeting, it's crucial that you understand the regulations put in place to protect that species. So when it comes to striped bass, there are two important regulations I want to talk about. The first came in place as of January 30th, 2020, and it's now required that if you're fishing using live bait or using any kind of bait for striped bass, that you use what's called a circle hook, which you can see here. Circle hooks actually reduce the mortality of striped bass when you release them back to sea compared to J hooks. So circle hooks kill only 3% of all fish that are released versus J hooks, which have been proven in a study done in Massachusetts to kill 15.5% of released striped bass out to sea. The second point I want to talk about is size limits. So with striped bass, there's now what we call a slot size limit. That means that in order to keep a fish, it needs to be between 28 and 34 inches in length. So it's within that slot size. Now, the main reasoning behind a slot size limit is that you want to release back into the environment the larger animals that we're catching. So when it comes to striped bass, the larger females are the most fecund animals, meaning that they release the most eggs and they are the most fertile animals in that whole population. So releasing the large cows back into the sea means that there's going to be way more fish out there in the younger generations of striped bass.